Dan, can't thank you enough for what a great move. You guys were terrific. You're really punctual, on time. You communicated throughout the process, and everything is packed perfectly. So can't wait. Hope you can't wait to get to the other end of the move, and really look forward to wishing you the best of luck in the future. Thanks so much. We recommend you 5 stars, very high.
Hi, we just moved today and I used Great Movers. 3 guys helped me out today and they were great. They were on time, punctual, very communicative. It's really hot today, really humid, but they worked great and they did it within the time frame that was scheduled, so they didn't charge extra. I highly recommend their services and it was really great.
Hey everyone, I just want to say I had an amazing experience today with Great Movers. This is the first time I used them. Someone at my job recommended it and I couldn't be happier. Everyone was extremely polite and super helpful. They literally went above and beyond my expectations. So to all of you guys, thank you so much for everything you did today. I really appreciate it.
Thank you to Great Movers, to Danny and his team. They did an amazing job. The move was stress-free, very helpful, great job. I recommend them to anyone. Thank you again.
Hi, I'm Gabrielle, and this is my first time with NYC Movers, and they did an absolutely amazing job. They went above and beyond and helped me out with even like the small things that they weren't supposed to. I really appreciate all their hard work, and they're also really quick too. I'm going to be unpacked by the end of the night. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
NYC Great Movers moved me today. They did a really great job. They came on time. They were friendly the entire time, smiling, moved everything for me. No issues at all. Just did a really great job and overall just incredibly friendly. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Constantine. You guys did a great job. I was really impressed with how fast you guys were and how you helped us to wrap up all our stuff, and you made the most stressful day of my life way less stressful. So thank you so much. I would highly recommend you guys.
Thank you.
New York City Great Movers did a fantastic job, from packing up my other apartment to getting everything into this one, including this couch, which made it in without scratching anything. It was smooth, efficient, and they were great guys to work with, so highly recommend them.
Thank you. Constantine and the guys were amazing today. Helped us out with the whole move. Very quickly they found an incredible amount of space in storage for us to pack everything in. They fixed a very complicated bed situation, and they managed to shift the couch all the way up the stairs in the building. They were fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Gabby. Great Movers, this is the second time I've used them and it's been perfect. They were so nice, super professional. They were actually earlier than I expected them, and they finished the job faster than we stipulated. They have acted perfectly and I couldn't be happier with them. I strongly recommend them and I hope all of you use them.
Hey, Great Movers NYC, thank you so much for the amazing move today. The full service packing and delivery was incredible. It made our day so much less stressful than if we had tried this ourselves. And despite the elevator chaos, you guys were champs and persevered, and we're so happy to be in our new apartment. Thank you.
Thank you.
We just finished our move with Great Movers. It was outstanding, phenomenal, unbelievable service. We're so happy with how everything turned out. They really went above and beyond to cater to everything we needed all day. Highly recommend.
Okay, so the Great Mover is very helpful. They came in on time and they help us to pack everything, and they're very efficient. They have all the tools. They're very fast. Thank you, Great Mover. Thank you, Palestine, and you guys are very reliable. I would definitely recommend people for this company.
Hi, I'm Heather. I just moved from New York City to New Jersey with the help of New York City Great Movers. And Constantine and his crew were amazing, moved everything so quickly out of our tight apartment into our new house, so we're very grateful. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Great Movers.
Yeah.
We just moved into our apartment. We're super excited and everything went great. It was super easy and we really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much to NYC Great Movers for making this as smooth as possible move. I would definitely recommend, I'm recommending it to all my friends. The rates are awesome. They're very fast, very clean, very communicative. Would definitely recommend. You will not regret it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ghost. This is Angie. This was our first time using Great Movers, and we can't be any more happy than the job that Constantine and his team did for us. They were able to get everything moved very quickly, very smoothly, no problems, no headaches. Very great guys overall.
Super thorough, definitely made sure everything was up to our standards, everything was put in the right place, and super organized, which was something that would definitely help us out. And I can totally see us using them in the future.
Thank you so much.
Definitely. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
NYC Great Movers moved me today. They did a really great job. They came on time. They were friendly the entire time, smiling, moved everything for me, no issues at all. Just did a really great job and overall just incredibly friendly. Thank you.
Thank you so much to Great Movers. Everything went very well. The whole process was super quick, seamless. Everyone was super professional. Everything, arrived on time in one piece. It looks great. So we can't thank you guys enough.
Great Movers is an appropriate name. Use these guys.
Great Movers, you guys did an amazing job. Super professional, super fast, super efficient, very friendly, very careful with everything. We're very, very happy with it.
Yeah, and the whole process was super easy because you guys were right on time, and we're just really appreciative of everything. Everyone's super nice, accommodating. Really couldn't ask for a better experience. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, so this is my first time using professional movers in New York City, and I'm really glad that I used Great Movers. They were super efficient, super professional. I'm really appreciative for all their help. They made this move super smooth, and I definitely, in the future, if I ever need movers again, I'll be sure to book with them.
I cannot recommend NYC Great Movers enough. They started my job, a 3-bedroom apartment, moving from Brooklyn to Brooklyn, 8:30 in the morning. It is now 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and we are delivered. Not only are we delivered, they figured out ways to get furniture that would not fit through old pre-war doorways into the doorways, and I swear I saw somebody levitating a sofa. So I recommend these guys. Take them. You'll be very happy that you did.
Thank you so much.
We had a really great move today with NYC Great Movers.
Yeah.
It was really quick and easy, and everything got packed up really quickly.
Yeah, the guys did a great job. Everything was got through the door safely. Big couch made it through the door. It was great.
We definitely recommend you. Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. It was so fantastic having you. Really, really appreciate it.
The most positive, helpful
Couldn't recommend
help we've
more
ever
highly.
had. Honestly, thank you so much. Great Movers is the best we've ever worked
11
with.
out of 10.
11 out of 10, yes. Thank you guys so much. You came early, you were great at communicating, you were super careful with all of our stuff, you were very strong. And we did it in less than the time we were expecting. And we have a ton of stuff. Thank you so much.
Thanks NYC Great Movers. This was an amazing experience, the best we've ever had.
Yeah, best move we've had in New York. Really a wonderful job.
Highly recommend it.
Thank you so much.
Hi, just had NYC Great Movers move us, and it was fantastic. They helped us with a bunch of surprises and things that we didn't have in boxes. Moved us quite a long distance from Manhattan to Brooklyn, unpacked everything for us and stacked all the boxes, so it's going to be really easy to unpack. Highly recommend them.
So I just want to say thank you to Great Movers, man. You guys made my life so much easier today with your help. Great Movers came in, they got there right on time at 8 a.m. They packed me all the way up, brought all my stuff to my new place, unpacked it, asked where I wanted to put all my things, and really they just made my life a lot easier. Couldn't have done it without you, so thanks again, and would definitely recommend you guys and your services to any and everyone who will listen. Thanks, Great Movers.
Hi, we just moved into our new apartment, and these guys were amazing. Super quick, super professional, on time.
We love Great Movers.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. They did a great job.
came so early, it moved everything out really fast, and came all the way down to Virginia with no issues.
Yeah, outstanding move, efficient, quick, everything's safe. We're super happy. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank
10
you.
out of 10, recommend.